Start making lists and prioritizing. Good. See, now you're thinking. She would start teaching the kids how to help. So if a woman's a little on the elderly side, what would she be doing? Find other people she can rely on for support. I know I'm making this uncomfortable, brethren, because we have to go beyond the normal length of time that a person thinks so you can get to the point of pondering. Thank you. Learning new skills herself so she can function alone better. Trade services. Thank you. Whew, that might have been a little bit difficult. I want you to now go back into man brain, and God lets you go on a lunch break from being man of the mountain, and you go sit on the edge of the hill, and you look down, and you see your woman doing the following things. My woman has gotten to work. She has turned to God, bonding and getting training with her fellow sisters. She's making lists and prioritizing. She's starting to teach the kids. She's finding other people she can rely on. She's learning new skills herself so she can function alone, but she's trading service with other women. She's talking to other women. She's starting a group. They're building up some power. It's as if she's getting ready to leave me.